Hi guys, in today's video we are going to make charcoal for our birds to drink. So in this video I'm going to show you how I'm going to make mine for my layers, and this is a good video that you should stick around and watch. My name is Asperia and you are welcome. Like this video, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. And so I have my charcoal dust here. Some people blend it and they make it into more powder form, but I don't have a blender that is going to do that. My blender is really weak for only juices, so I'm going to make it just like it is, and I will sieve it, filter it, and they just take the water instead of taking the dust. So many people have different ways they do things, but I also have this and it is very effective. So watch the video, stick around, subscribe, and let's do it. So at this point I add water, and this is disinfected water using the other disinfectant that I shared in the previous video. In case you want to know, go check it out. And so I'm going to filter this after mixing it, and I will give my birds very clean and something nice. So the benefits of charcoal: it helps the birds in egg production, it boosts egg production. It also helps the egg quality. The eggs have stronger shells, if especially you give it to your layers. And also it reduces on the diarrhea in the birds, especially if they have Cocidiosis. It really helps the birds to get fine, so it is really good for your layers. And also it can help on absorbing toxins from the bodies of those birds. Maybe they have eaten food that is not nice or something poisonous. It is one of the things that that is recommended. Also, charcoal can be in medicine form. When you go to the vet, you can still find charcoal tablets, or they are also available. In case you can't get access to the real charcoal, you can still visit the vet shop and ask them about charcoal, and they will give you advice, or they will tell you how you can give it to your birds. Charcoal is very good, and try it on your farm. It has worked for us here. It really reduces diarrhea, and sometimes it clears it off. If you add the dust into the litter, it also helps in reducing the ammonia levels, and can help in reducing the smell in the poultry house. So it is a very good thing that you can use on your poultry farm. Like our video, share it with your friends. Do not forget to subscribe. So different farmers do it differently in their farms, and there are some things that we can buy and put in our farms, and they are helpful, especially things to do with organic way of raising birds. Sometimes these medicines that we buy are really resistant to diseases, so these organic things help in boosting the immunity, and they help even in controlling diseases or preventing diseases, alongside other measurements that we put on the farm. So it is very important for us to learn these things, and we do them at our farms. So I'm filtering this. I'm going to give the birds, and at the end of the video you're going to see how the birds are going to be very happy.